Wonderful room. Overall, I had a great experience, staff was incredibly helpful, and the amenities were great. The room was wonderful, clean, and perfect to have holiday. Good. Very clean room. The room is neat and tidy. Love the view from 32 floor. The apartment been guarded by Ivory police and you don't worry anything. And the owner is very responsive replying my messages. Good job. Will definitely book again. Overall clean and nice view suitable for family staycation. This place is stunning. This place is gorgeous. You can see Komtar from your room, we love it so much. You don't have to worry about the parking, that is one of the key things that we choose here. Brandon is a very responsive guy. He responds to all of our requests. Thanks to him. There is only one thing that management need to look into, which is no water filter in the room, so you need to bring your own mineral water inside, but there still have water heater if you need a hot water. We'll definitely come here again sometimes. Homestay at the Heritage City, overall value for money. Just the blankets seem not clean. Home from home. We stayed a week here. We were on level 32. The room was bright and large with amazing views towards Georgetown jetty, very clean with everything you needed, kitchenette with utensils, washer, iron, ironing board, hairdryer, plug adapter, etc. The swimming pool and gym on level 11 were amazing too, within about 15-20 minutes walk to a lot of attractions, places to eat, etc. A bus stop outside the hotel and across the road for the 101 bus to beach and central station and around everywhere. All bus rides less than 5 more £1. We had a problem with the kettle, which Wad quickly replaced the following morning. The only negative was the bed, very comfy but could possibly be larger for larger couples. Bring HDMI cable for computer to walk TV as channels are limited, Wi-Fi speed excellent. All in all a fantastic cozy 7 days here, highly recommended. Keith Hartley from United Kingdom.